Hey guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna be teaching you how can you download Office 2019 for your PC. So first of all, you need to go to Google Chrome, and after that type for get into PC, and after that type in the search bar for Office 2019, and scroll down and you can see Office 2019 Pro Plus, and after that scroll down. And after that you can see the download link, click that, and you need to wait for some minutes. Now you need to wait until it downloads complete.
Main setup. Let's start with the PC. My PC is almost perfect. I've upgraded a lot over the last year or so. So right now I'm rocking a Vision 3070 with a custom GPU backplate. This is also hooked up to course your IQ with a fan hub, so I can control it to IQ, syncs up the rest of my PC really nicely. I have a Ryzen 7 3700X for the CPU. This also has a custom backplate on it that is synced up to IQ. I checked this on Constant Car though, because I think it makes the backplate look really cool. I have a B550 motherboard and 32 GB of white.
Okay, so after that go to the link and click the folder, and after that you can see Office setup. Double click that, and you need to wait for the installation. You can see the green line over there, so wait until it completes. So again I'm going to watch for YouTube, so I can't, because I can't wait for that minute until it completes. So I'm watching YouTube, streaming PC. Wow. Okay, so it's still downloading. Wow. Okay, so after that you can see a command prompt window has opened. I don't know what's that. After that you need to click yes, and after that you can see okay, we are getting things ready. Okay, as you can see installing Office, so you need to wait for some minutes until this is also completed. Okay, so now I'm still waiting for Office to complete. Okay, so now as you can see Office is completed downloading. Now next you need to click close. After that, now let's check whether the Office is working. So I'm going to open Excel. I'm literally checking for that. Okay, so here I have Excel. So you can say Excel 2019. You can see I can download Excel 2019. Ooh, that's nice. Yeah, so I have the recovered files, so I don't need them actually, so I'm going to just close them. and as you can see, I have successfully downloaded Office 2019. So thank you so much for watching. If you learned something new, hit the subscribe and like button, and also comment for more videos. So I'll try to make the live streaming third part as soon as possible. So until next time, goodbye.